What's up guys? Welcome back to the Share channel. iPhone 5s is the kind of mobile phone that makes you feel nostalgia for the classic Apple design. It's still working quite well even today, so I guess you don't want to abandon it when you forgot the lock screen passcode. To unlock it is actually quite easy. In this tutorial, we'll go over the 3 most used methods: Key, Find My, and iTunes. Feel free to skip to the one that suits you the best. So, let's get into it. I know a lot of you might have difficulty using iTunes or iCloud, so why don't we start with Key. So once you install it through the link in the description down below, open it up on your computer. From the home screen, click Start. Then connect the phone. Hit Next to proceed. Now we can see a recovery mode guide. Navigate to Other Device, and then follow the instructions to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 5s, is press and hold the top and home button simultaneously till you see the Connect to iTunes screen. Then Key will match the latest iOS for you automatically. What we're gonna do now is download it to a location that has enough space available. Once done, we can start unlocking. This process will erase all the content and settings from the phone. You can restore them back if you have backup stored in iCloud or iTunes. Well done. Now that we got to the hello screen, let's go ahead and set it up as a new device. You can create a new password or leave it for later. So that's it. Very simple and straightforward. If you don't have a computer but have another iPhone, follow the steps here to unlock it using the Find My app. So, when you are ready, open the Find My app on your another device. On the bottom, tap Devices. Select the iPhone 5s in the list, swipe up and tap Erase this device. Now go ahead with the setup and enter your Apple ID password when prompted. And then, your iPhone 5s will be erased remotely. You can see the Apple logo and progress bar is appearing on the screen. A few minutes later, you'll see the hello screen. It seems this one is a little bit faster. In the last part here, I'd like to walk you through restoring the device with iTunes. Still, we need to enter recovery mode first. Then iTunes will detect it and give you an update and restore option. To remove the lock screen, choose Restore. iTunes will be downloading the firmware, and then restoring your phone to factory settings. Just like that. So guys, this is how you can unlock your iPhone 5s when you forgot the passcode. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.